This is part 3 of Victorian stairwell makeover videos. This one is going to be about the door at the bottom of the stairs, what we did to make it look nicer and explain a little bit about that. We could have bought a new door, but to be honest, that would have been a lot more money and a lot less fun. I didn't film a lot of this annoyingly, so there are lots of pics from my phone and lots of little video clips. I hope that you enjoy it. Thought I would show you this door because we're kind of slowly working on it. We're going to put mouldings on it, you know, to make it look a little bit fancier. Last night Sam put the brass kick plate in. It's still got its little peely cover on, but that's just so that you can get the space right for putting in the mouldings. And that's the same reason he added all the hardware. So we've got this like push plate, which is really pretty, kind of Art Nouveau, and then we've got this beautiful push sign. It's just lovely. So with those bits in place, he'll be able to sort of figure out the space for where the mouldings should go. So yeah, that'll be cool. And on the inside, I don't know, it's going to get dark in here, so I'm not sure I'll be able to see. Oh yeah, there's the little sign we put on for the toilet. And just kind of made the handle a bit vintage as well, and the little gold escutcheon. I like the kind of egg-shaped handle, that's quite sweet. So this is my favourite part. I don't know if I can get the light to come on in here. Yeah, here we go. Right. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? A big brass handle. So yeah, just imagine that the door will be all nice and moulded, look like a proper vintage door. And it'll have that lovely hardware. And we've also put a door closer on this, so it's like the one out on the street now. It's like a push-pull instead of having, to fumble with opening and shutting. And it means that it stays shut as well. If someone comes and goes, this will close by itself. eBay is really good for getting vintage hardware, and that's where we found all of our stuff. If you just type in Art Nouveau door handle, and you'll get some absolutely beautiful things coming up. For something like a door handle that you're going to touch every day, then it should be something beautiful that you like. Modern stuff has just become very much function over beauty, and I think that we need to go back. We need some more drama in our lives. It's way more beautiful than anything new, and you can touch something that's a little bit of history every day when you open the door.
I'm about to mix up this two-part body filler, and you mix it together until there's no streaks.
And this is for cars, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, what's it called?
Big boy body filler.
It's, yeah, for homes, boats and cars.
I am very sort of sloppily doing this, and I'll just take it back with the sander.
And it sands really well because
Sands
you
really
did a little
nicely.
bit over here and it looks great. And it's smooth as anything. It's probably the best filler that we've ever used, actually.
I'm just getting all. Yeah, that's what it looks like when it goes off.
Oh, it starts to harden.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good time to put it in that big bit there, though.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Just take that as an excuse to get that in that hole. The store's been getting rotten behind that bit of wood for who knows how long. I'm going to add some mouldings to the door. I'm going to have them on either side of the numbers like that.
It looks really good. I love the new lettering.
I know, yeah, much bigger.
Yeah, I don't know if that's easy to see on the video, but Sam sort of marked out the grid of where the new mouldings will be. So that's obviously the space that'll be left in between, and then the mouldings will start here. We'll have like a big rectangle either side. Kind of like a traditional door would look. And then obviously we'll
Get them right on the line.
miter the corners so we can, you know, have the two squares. I'll come a bit closer as well. Looks great. And then obviously it'll all be painted in. You'll never know that it's not a real door.
And the whole thing won't have any of these
Yeah.
scabby bits or anything. It'll all be filled. This is the half-finished front door. As you can see,
Wow.
the mouldings have been added. The new numbers have been added.
It looks really nice. So just imagine that all painted in. I'll kind of get a side view so you can see how we've picked quite deep moulding so it looks good. Because sometimes that can look a bit stuck on and naff, but it actually doesn't. It looks nice. And it's much better than having a plain door. Very nice. This is what Sam's up to today. He is filling the door, or no, he's sanding the door that's been filled, and take it off the hinges again just so that you can get access to everything. To end, there will be a little photo montage of sort of before and after pictures that I took from my phone. thanks so much for watching. I'll have another video out soon.